Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A22 5G, and today I will show you how fingerprint sensor works in the smartphone. It's located on the right edge with power key. So let's make a few tries and I link this fingerprint. You don't have to press that button, you can simply just tap on it or slide with your finger, just like that. So you have to only press it if you want to unlock or lock your phone with this power key. As you can see, sensor works really good. It recognizes my fingerprint every time, and it's also fast, as you can see. So that's how this sensor works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.